This video covers how to create a repair ticket and run diagnostics for existing services using Lumen Control Center. You can use Lumen Control Center, which is your personalized portal that helps you efficiently manage your account. Its benefits include account maintenance, such as creating and managing tickets, running diagnostics for repairs, and tracking your orders, in addition to several billing features such as signing up for paperless billing and paying your bills online. Control Center gives you the ability to quickly run non-intrusive diagnostics for your existing services by beginning the process of opening a repair ticket. When you begin the process, the first step is to run diagnostics. After the diagnostics, if a ticket is necessary, Control Center will walk you through the process. To start, select the Support tile, then select Ticketing to go to the Ticketing page. On the Ticketing page, you will be able to see your organization's existing repair tickets. From there, you will be able to select Create New Ticket, then Repair Ticket, so you can see your current inventory. Select the service you want, or put in a service ID to run any available diagnostics. If diagnostics are available, they will begin to run automatically in real time with the results displaying on screen. Keep in mind, running the diagnostics will not affect the performance of your services. Once all the tests are complete, Control Center will walk you through any recommended actions. On this page, if available, you will also be able to see dynamic graphics that reflect service utilization and traffic categories. If running diagnostics and completing the recommended actions does not resolve your issue, you will be able to continue with creating a repair ticket. When you submit your ticket, our service assurance team will work with you to quickly investigate the issue and resolve it. By placing this capability in your hands, Control Center gives you the ability to manage your services and expedite the repair process. Visit our delivery support library to view short helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.